How's everybody doing today? It's Sterling Smith from Loot and Booty BBQ, and we're in Kansas City at the 39th Annual American World Series of Barbecue. We're at Green Mountain Grills, and today we're gonna do some Southwestern crab cakes. So for these Southwestern crab cakes, first thing we're gonna do is chop up a jalapeno. One whole jalapeno, and I'm gonna de-seed it and devein it, and I'm gonna take a whole bunch of cilantro. We're gonna dice that up, put that in with the jalapenos. We are gonna add 1 pound of lump crab meat, mix that all together, add some mayonnaise. We're gonna add about a half a cup of mayonnaise and about a half a cup of Mexican crema, a little squeeze of a quarter of a lemon. We're gonna mix that all up, and then we're gonna crush some tortilla chips, and we're gonna put it in a plastic bag and just crunch those up till we get really, really fine pieces. Once we have about a half a cup of that, we're gonna add that to the mix it all together, and then we're gonna start forming our crab cakes. What we do is just by hand, we're gonna take them, form them up, and then we're gonna add some extra tortilla chips at the end just to have that nice little crust on the outside. Once we have the crab cakes crusted in the tortilla chips, we're gonna put them on a really hot Daniel Boone. We have this thing cranked up to about 500 degrees. And I'm gonna go on some grill grates, and we're gonna use the actually flat top surface on the grill grates. We're gonna make our crema, this avocado crema. So basically we're gonna take one whole avocado, we're gonna mix that in a blender with about a half a cup of crema, and I'm using about a quarter cup of diced cilantro in there. We're gonna blend that all together. Once we have that blended, we're gonna put it in a little squeeze bottle. Once it starts to get nice and golden out, we're gonna pull those off. Sprinkle a little bit of cilantro over it. I love cilantro. We're in the Southwest. It's avocado crema. We're just gonna do a little glaze on each of them, just like that. Quick and easy Southwest crab cakes on the GMG. You know it does it every time, baby.